we will make a review about equiangular triangles. Equiangular triangles. Equiangular triangle. Okay. Now we will make a review about what is the definition of this equiangular triangle. The meaning of equiangular, equal plus angle. This is the meaning of this equiangular, equal plus angle. Now I will explain what is the method of this one. Now consider about it has two types of triangles, and it has some equal angles like this. I will make it by using this star, and on here also you think about it also have a star sign, and both of these angles are equal, and you think it has a little power. This angle is equal to this angle. I will define it by using a power, and after that if these both of triangles are equiangulars meaning already it has equal angles. If it has two equal angles, that remaining angles also generally it should be also equal. What is the reason? I will explain. What is the sum of the values of a inner angles of a triangle is equal 180. Now value of this angle should be 180 minus this value and this value, like this. And according to this equation also 180 minus this value and this value. Now what is the method of this equiangular triangular method? I will explain it. You think about the sides are equal like this is simple ABC and double ABC for this one. Now you consider about this star angle. What is the opposite side of this star angle? It should be A. It is A. Now what is the opposite angle of this star angle? It should be B. Now you can write the ratio of opposite sides of the star angle for both of triangles. It should be A over B, simple A over capital B. Again, by using that method, you can write what is the opposite side of this flower. It should be C. What is the opposite side of this flower? It should be capital A. Again is equal. What is the remaining? What is the opposite side of the remaining value of angle? On here it should be simple B, and on here it should be C. It is the equiangular triangular method. You consider about these ratios. These all of the ratios are equal. It is the method we have to discuss. Now we will make a explanation of any example like this. You think about the triangular, and it has two triangular types like this A, D, E, B, C, and you consider about these angles. I think this angle is equal to this angle, and it has a common angle for this both of triangles. It has a two triangles. First one is the large triangle and small triangle. It has a common angle which is this one. It is common for this both of triangles. Anyway, now we can write the relation in between this angle, in between the sides like this. What is the opposite side of the small triangle? What is the opposite side of this angle of the small triangle? It should be AE. And after that, what is the opposite angle, opposite side of this angle of the large triangular shape? It should be AB is equal. Now what is the opposite side of this common angle of the small triangle? It should be DE over what is the opposite side of the common angle of the large triangular shape? It should be CB is equal. What is the opposite side of the remaining angle of the small one? It should be AD. After that, what is the opposite side of the remaining angle of the large one? It should be AC. Now you can pick a relation relationship in between sides by using the equiangular triangular method. Now, miscellaneous exercises we have discussed. You can make right angle, because what is the reason for this right angle? It is a rectangle. It has given on the data. Now, and again this angle is it is also a right angle. Now, if you replace x for this side and you consider about this parallel specification, by using this parallel specification you can put x for this place also, and again you can find the value of this one. It should be 180 minus 90 minus x. What is the reason for this 180? The sum of the inner angles of a triangle is equal 180. Now after you subtract, you can get the answers 90 degrees minus x. And again on here also, this angle also is equal 180 minus 90 minus x is equal, after subtract 9 from 180, 90 minus x. Now on here also, now you consider about this one. The sum of the value of a straight line also is 180, 180 minus x minus 90. After subtract, you can get the answers 180 minus 90 is equal 90 minus x. And by using this method, this one also you can find the value of this place, 180 minus 90 degrees from this side, and after that minus again 90 degrees minus x from this side in here. Now you can write it as 180 minus 90 degrees. It should be 90 degrees, and after you multiply it by using this minus 90 degrees and minus it should be positive x. You can add this positive 90 degrees to minus 90 degrees, and you can get the answer as x for this side. Now it should be x. This place should be 90 degrees minus x. These are 90. These are 90 minus x. Now you can separate this both of three triangles like this. First one I will write on here, KDE x 90 degrees, 90 minus x. Now middle triangle EAB 90 minus x, 90 degrees and x. And after that last one, x is on here. Now 90 minus x is on here. Now you can compare this both of triangular parts. I will use 1, 2, 3 as to define. Now you can make an idea about this both of triangular shapes, about this equal angles, and about this equal sides.